Hi everyone. I am super duper excited to welcome all of you to this course, and I am your instructor for this entire course. So before we get into the 21 AI tool floors, we will first understand the basic of AI. Why AI is getting more smarter and more better in our everyday life, why we should use AI in our day to day life, and how AI is one of the most important skills in today's day and age. And will AI will replace our job or not? We will even talk about this in this lecture. And the best part is AI is so helpful in our everyday life that it will become us more, it will help us to be more smarter, confident, and it will make our work more easier. So before we get into all of these 21 tools, we will first understand the basic of AI. So let's get started with this course, and I am excited to travel with you in this beautiful journey of AI, and let's get started. So the first thing that I want to start with is what is artificial intelligence? That means what actually is AI? From the past 3 4 years, we have been in the world where everyone talks about AI, how AI is going to work for us, how AI is making our work more easier, how AI is becoming more smarter and better. And there has been a wave of startups that are even based on AI. New startups are coming based on different AI tools, and we are just going crazy with AI. But what actually is AI? So, in the stores, I am going to explain you about AI in the much more easier way. So, let's get started with what actually AI means. So, the first thing that I want you to do is just imagine. So, what over here that what I want to share is think about how you used to learn things in life when you were a kid. You learn how to recognize faces, speak words, solve puzzles, and even you understand when someone is happy or sad. When you were a kid or even a teenager, you easily used to understand different things. If you see someone's face, you can easily just recognize this person is sad or lonely or happy or excited. You can solve multiple puzzles, you can speak different words, even you can make sentences, you can recognize faces. Whether it's your parents, whether it's your siblings, you understand the different roles and character of each and every one. So you learn all of this by watching, listening, practicing, and even remembering, right? Right or wrong. So from a very young age, or when you were a kid, you use or you learn everything by watching someone, by listening to different things, by regularly practicing. Now remove yourself and put a computer or a machine instead of that, doing the same exact thing as you were doing when you were a kid. It can the computer or the machine can easily recognize faces, can speak different languages, words, can solve any puzzle. So that's what AI actually means. It's already been taught how, it's already been uh, but taught how to taught the different languages, but it's been put with so much of knowledge. The machine or the computer has been feed up by different knowledges. The thousands of word has been taught to these AI tools or this AI or the intelligence or the computer. So AI can easily now, whenever you write something on AI or you prompt something on ChatGPT or any other tools, whether it's an image generation tool or a text generation tool, whenever you write the giver prompt, it's an easily recognize different thing what you want. If you write, I want a cute image of a cat, it's an easily generated cute image of a cat. Just with us, why this thing happens with us before you write or before these things were made, it already have been put in so many knowledges, so many different knowledge, so many different skills has been put, so not skills, but so many different words or the thousands and thousands of words has been put in different languages, the way AI will speak, the way AI will word. So all of these things, that's what artificial intelligence simply is. The machine learned all these things by different people who has made this. Right or wrong? So the next thing I want to share with you is if I want to break this down into a much more simpler format, that what we now understand what artificial intelligence is. But what does artificial and intelligence means? What is artificial and what is intelligence? That's the simple thing. So over here you then see artificial means not natural. Artificial, whenever I say this is artificial, it means it's not natural. That means it is made by human. It's a man-made things like machines, different machines, the computer related to all these things. Just like artificial flowers, artificial colors, artificial fruits, it looks very real, like the real one, but it's not made naturally. It's made by man-made. That's what artificial intelligence is, a man-made intelligence. You then see your phone, the computer, the things that you use, the different batteries. These all are man-made things. So what intelligence means? Intelligence over here means the ability to understand, learn and solve problem as you do in your own life. That's what intelligence means. So over here, a simple example would be when you see that cloud and it's just the first thing that comes in your mind, it's going to rain soon or it's going to rain today. That's what intelligence is. When you open your phone and ask Google or Siri, hey, what's the weather today? Give me the weather forecast. And in return, you get the answer. Today is 35 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny weather, and rain is going to happen in the next 4 days or 5 days. That's what intelligence is. That's how that's how the intelligence thing means, that it automatically recognizes the different thing. It automatically know what's going on. So when your phone camera automatically focuses on your face, that AI is using its intelligence. When you use nowadays when you use camera, you just move your hand and your photo is clicked. Your image has been clicked. That's what AI means. So whether if you put artificial intelligence, it simply means human-made brains that can think, learn and help you in different way. This all is a human-made. It's not natural. It's a human-made thing. That's what artificial intelligence means. So the next thing is, so let's get into our everyday example. So let's take a few examples that we already use in a day-to-day life. When you talk to Alexa or Siri, for example, and it answers back that that's what AI is listening and responded. As I said earlier, when you ask Alexa, hey Alexa, play a song of someone, a famous Hollywood singer or something, Alexa instantly knows what you want and it plays that song. If you ask Alexa, hey Alexa, where's my phone? It automatically knows where your phone and it responds to you. If you say, hey Alexa, what's the weather report today? And it automatically knows what's the report or what's the weather forecast or something, and it instantly responds to you that today is a cloudy weather or today is a sunny day or anything like that. That's how the AI is working. Even when you use Netflix, you use YouTube, it suggests a movie that you might like. That's AI is learning your taste. YouTube is there for so long. Netflix is there for so long. But we didn't know about these AI. AI was working till AI was there even for so long, but we didn't recognize it. It was performing at the backstage, but now it's in front of us. When you search on YouTube based on cute videos of that, and you watch 1 2 videos or short form videos or long videos, when you refresh your feed at the end, you can see different videos based on cute little ads. That seven sign that your that is loving you, seven sign that uses this and that, based on all the cute videos of that. Why this thing is happening? Because at the bat, AI is pertinent. At the bat, whatever you are searching, the YouTube that is getting all the knowledge of your taste, what you love or what you don't love. If you search for something uh, related to any AI based video. So, what is artificial intelligence? If you search on YouTube, what is AI agents? What is how AI, what are the different type of AI tools? So when you search all these things, the YouTube will understand that you love the topic based on AI tools. So when you refresh your feed or when you scroll through your feed, you will find everything related to AI is been shown. Everything related to AI videos is there on your recommendation tab. So that's what AI is worth in. When you unlock your phone, when your phone gets unlocked by recognizing your face, that's AI understanding who you are. When you use Google Map, it shows the fastest route. That's what AI is predicting and deciding for you. When you are traveling somewhere and you put the location on the Google Map, and the shortest way to reach or the easiest way to reach that destination, that's what AI is working at the back. So AI is already everywhere, quietly working behind the scene to make life easier, but we didn't recognize this earlier. We came to know about AI, and all a blow up of AI has been happened in the past 3 4 years, but AI was already there for such a long time. So the next thing that I want to share with you is, how does this thing really works? How does AI actually works? The three things that happens with AI. The first part is learning, the second part is understanding, and the third part is decision making. What I mean by that is, AI first looks of the tons of information and data that has already been put into the system. For example, it might see thousands of that and dot photos. That's what learning has been done in the machine or the AI. The second part is understanding. That means it starts noticing patterns, different patterns. Oh, that means if you want a comparison between a that and a dot, how AI will understand is is someone usually has a smaller nose and sharp eyes, and dot is someone longer in size or bigger in size, and that is smaller in size. So there's a different pattern that AI can easily understand. But when it comes to the final decision making, so when you show a new picture, the AI say that looks like that. When you upload a picture on any AI related platform, whether it's ChatGPT or its different AI tool, it easily know who this person is. If you upload a image of a famous Hollywood star or a big influencer on ChatGPT or on other tools, the GPT can easily recognize the face and say this man or this woman is this person or this star, and it will give you all the details of that same person. Why this thing is happening? Just because AI has first done its learning, it's try to know it's have understanding what this image means and what this image means, or what the other image means, what the meaning of this word actually looks like, and what's the meaning of other words actually looks like. It did the learning, it did its understanding, and then it made its final decision. That's how AI word had the words at the back end. So the next thing is, why AI is so powerful in today's day and age. Why AI has been used by every single person in this world, especially in this world, and why it's becoming more better and more powerful. The first reason is reading thousands of pages in seconds. AI can read thousands and thousands of pages in seconds. If you have started any novel or any books, it will might take you 1 month or 2 months or more than 6 months to complete that. But when you put the details of that book on any AI tools like ChatGPT, that they've made a detailed explanation, not explanation, but just put in all this. For example, if you have put in a name of your favorite novel and you just said to AI that I just want all the details related to this books and all the chapters, each chapter, what each chapter says and what it means, and all the things I want to. I don't have so much of time to read the entire book. I just want to read it in short, but I want to cover the entire book. AI will instantly, within a few seconds, it will instantly give you an easy response of that entire book, the details, the introduction, the chapter wise, what each chapter says, and who is the author, and everything. So what you did, you just put the information and you got the result. You don't have to go through the entire book, or you don't have to spend the entire 6 months or 4 months or 1 month or even a week for that book. You just got the details of that book. You just read through it. Even if you want a PDF version, you will even get that. That's what AI is doing. It can recognize millions of faces instantly, as I said uh, in the previous presentation, or not in the previous presentation, just a few seconds before or minutes before. As I said, it recognized billions of faces instantly. So it didn't take so much of time because the knowledge has already been put in so much. So it can do this instantly. The third point is writing, drawing, or creating new ideas in minutes. If you want a script for your YouTube video, you will get it instantly within few seconds. First, before AI or before these tools, many people used to spend a lot of time writing the script, a viral script that's more than 1 million views, or a short form video script. The what should be the hook, what should be the intro, how should I express myself, the emotions and everything. But nowadays with AI, you just need to put in the right and the correct prompt in the correct style or in the correct way, and you will get your script easily. That's what AI is doing. It's even creating new ideas. It will give you a tons of ideas based on your content creation journey. What niche you are in, what are you actually doing? It will instantly generate new ideas for you in minutes, whether it's based on if you're a content creator, if you're a freelancer, if you're a business owner, for anything you want the ideas. Whether you want to grow your business, you want different ideas for that, you will get it. Whether you want to grow your channel, you want different wider topic ideas that's trending right now in 2025, you will get that instantly. That's what AI is doing. So at the end, AI does not have feelings, emotions, or true understanding like we have, like humans have. It only mimics how we think based on data it has seen. So, in the real world example, I would say AI has zero emotions, zero understanding like humans. As we express ourselves, the way we speak, the way we understand, AI don't know how to do these things. AI just perform based on what data that you put in. That's the job of an AI. As human, we connect with each other on a much deeper level. We understand each other. We know the emotions. But when it comes to AI somehow fails in these things. So the last thing that I want to say is AI is not here to replace us. It's here to help us. I don't know what's going to happen in the next 2 years or in the next 10 years. But the best thing I would then say is someone who is using AI in their day-to-day life, someone who is learning about AI in their day-to-day life, someone who is understanding more about AI in their day-to-day life, but using new tools, setting their hands into AI is hard to replace then, because big companies or different companies need those people who are in the space of AI, who are doing new innovation with AI, doing new things with AI. But people who are staying away with AI, just thinking that AI is a villain who will take our job, the AI is really going to replace them. Because nowadays, AI is one of the most important skills that everyone used to know. Whether you are not from this field, whether you are from different field, but you should know about AI in today's day and age. So the best thing that AI can do is it's a super smart assistant for you who can handle your boring, repetitive, and time-consuming tasks so that you can focus on creativity, emotion, and human connection. That's the best thing that AI can do. It can save you a ton and tons of time so that you don't have to waste your time in that one same thing. So, in one line, if I want to say, is artificial intelligence, that means AI, is when machine earns to act smart so human can live smarter. So, for example, if I want to put in one example is, imagine that your brain is like a sponge, and the job of the sponge is to observe different things. So your brain observes informations, remember it, and uses it to solve the problem. AI is a digital sponge. You do not see it, you do not touch it, but it's there. It just observes all the data, it learns different patterns, and it uses that knowledge to help you become smarter, more intelligent, and make your life even more easier. So this was all from this lecture. This was a quite long lecture, close to 22 minutes, but this was the detailing how what actually AI means. Before we get into all these tools, this is the most important part that you need to know. So this was all from this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you so much for joining me. See you there. So now, how AI is changing the way we live, we work, and we create different things. So now just imagine your life without AI. Just without AI, there is no AI tool. What was your normal day would be like? You wake up in the morning, you make your breakfast, you get ready for your office, for your work, or for your school. You send emails or messages to your colleagues or to your boss based on your meetings or for your presentation related to that. You come home afterward, you watch movies, different movies, you listen to your music, you plan your next day as usual. Now, imagine how much easier and faster and smarter these tasks be if you use AI quietly helps you behind the scene. That's exactly what AI is doing right now. It's changing the way we live, we work, and we create step by step. You wake up nowadays, you wake up in the morning, you make your breakfast as usual, you get ready for your work. But when it comes to sending emails, first, before AI, you used to think a lot. When it comes to sending emails to your boss, you used to think a lot. What word should I use? What should I write? Does this sound good or not? But with the help of AI, you easily write your emails within few seconds and you send it to your boss. Or you create your presentations, a sales presentation within few minutes, just putting in all the prompts using different AI tools. That's how AI is making our work easier, smarter, making us smarter, making us work easier, and even letting us to feel much more like a relaxed bird without having any worries of how this thing is going to work or how that thing is going to work. Now, AI is everywhere, especially in today's day and age. AI is everywhere. Everyone is using AI in their day to day life. The next thing that I want to share is how AI in everyday words, how you will live with AI in your everyday world, or how you are going to use AI in your everyday work. So now for a moment, think that AI is an invisible assistant in your daily life. You cannot touch AI, you cannot see AI, you cannot do anything with AI. You can only let it work as you want. That's an invisible tool or an assistant that is there for you, that is helping you in your day-to-day life or in your task. So for example, the first thing comes to your smartphone. As soon as we wake up, we wake up with a smartphone. That means we just wake up and our phone is is there in our hand. We just open our phone, we start scrolling, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, emails, everything is there. So when your phone predicts the next word you want to type or correct your spelling automatically, that's AI thinking for you. It usually happens that when we write something or when we chat with someone, we somehow use by mistake, we use wrong words, and you will notice that there's a red line that comes under that word, that similar word or that exact word. What's happening over there? When you will click on that word, you will see the correct spelling that's been shown to you. That's what AI is working for you. If you write or you write I need something, that your keyboard or your keypad automatically recommends you 2-3 words on top. When you will type, just notice this. We usually don't notice it, but actually it recommends us different words. What does it actually means is AI is working for you over there at the back. You can't see it. You can't do something with it. It's an invisible assistant. It's working for you. It's predicting the next word for you. It's correcting the word for you. So AI is already there in your smartphone. Now, when it comes to shopping and recommendations, what happens is when you use Amazon or Flipkart or Alibaba, showing products you actually like, AI is learning your preference. What this means is when you search for a similar product, that is, for example, you searched for a mixer grinder on these 3 platforms or any one platform like Amazon. After a few search or scrolling through that feed of mixer grinder, you will find out Amazon is continuously showing you all the feed or all the products related to mixer grinder. Even if you will left Amazon and you will go to YouTube or Google, you will find somewhere ad related to mixer grinder that is redirecting you to Amazon's website or or app. That's where AI is working. That's where AI is working at the back. It's just actually, it's learning your preference, it's understanding what you want and how you want it. That's where it's working. Now, when it comes to the entertainment part, you use Netflix for movies or web series, we use Spotify for music, we use YouTube for all the videos that we want to see, or just spend our time on that platform. You see different suggestions of movies on Netflix or on YouTube. It shows or it different shows. It even recommends songs. It even recommends things that you will really enjoy. AI is your personal entertainment guide over there. As I said earlier, when you search something on YouTube related to any continental dish, for example, If you have searched for continental dish, after one video, watching one video, a short form, even a short form video, or doing through that video, a long form video, when you will refresh your feed, you will find that, just notice it, you will find that your feed is being filled up by continental food. Or if you search for a cute that video related to that video, after watching one, two videos related to that, you will find out the entire feed is filled up with that video. What that means is, behind YouTube AI assistant or that AI assistant, they think, the algorithm thinks that you love that. You want to watch video more of that. That's why it recommends you different videos related to that. That's how AI is working in the entertainment sector. Now, when it comes to your home and comfort part, what happens is, nowadays everyone uses smart light at their home. It automatically turns on when you step inside your room. It automatically turns off when you move out of your room. So there's a smart light, there's Alexa, even helps you controlling your music, or it makes your life even easier when you say, hey Alexa, switch on the fan or switch off the light. It does that. That's what AI is working on, making your life more simpler and more easier in your day-to-day life. So in short, if I say, AI is quietly making our lives smoother, faster, easier, and more convenient. Nowadays, we can easily see what's happening. There are different tools, different software, different apps. But AI was there far before these all tools and software has entered the race. As I said for YouTube or earlier on. So the next one is how AI is going to help you at work. If you are a professional, how it's going to help you. So AI is not just about fun and convenience nowadays. It's about transforming the way we work in our day-to-day life. For example, when it comes to email and communication, as I said, first sending emails to anyone, whether it's our colleague, whether it's our client, or whether it's our boss, we used to think a lot what to write, how to write, what will be the subject or topic, what words to use, what emojis to use, or in what way should I use the tone of the voice. But with GPT, Chat GPT, with Grammarly, now these things are just out of topic. Now, we just put in the prompt to ChatGPT that we want you to write an email based on this topic. This should be the tone, this should be the writing style, this should be the words that to use, the feeling, the emotion. We put all the things, and within a few seconds, our email, our proposal, or a report has been created faster than ever. The second thing is scheduling and organization. Tools like Notion.ai or Motion helps you to plan your tasks beforehand. It helps you to schedule different meetings and deadlines efficiently. It just handle all your tasks, all your scheduling, all your meetings and every day that happens in your day-to-day life. Now the third thing that comes over here is data and research. AI can read and summarize thousands of reports in seconds, something the human might take weeks long. So before AI, when it comes to report or any data that we want to go through, it used to, for any human, it will take a day of a time or even 2 to 3 days to go through that entire report, or a week to go through the entire report. But with the help of these AI tools, within a few seconds, we will set the report, all the details of that report in a very short format and the easy format that easier to understand. That's how AI is working. And the last part, when it comes to customer support, there are chatbots on different websites. When you go to Amazon, when you go to Alibaba, if it's there or not, but in Amazon that's there. When you use different e-commerce app or a quick commerce app, you will find different chatbot or different website. When you go to different website, visit different website, you will see different chatbot version for them. They, when you ask something, it responds to you instantly. That's where AI is saving the company's time and helping the customer s- that they respond or that the answers instantly. That's how AI is working right there. Now the second thing is when it comes to creativity, AI is even there. It's in their home, it's there in your office, it's there in your creative path where if you are a creative person. So if you are into art and design, there are different tools like Canva, Magic Studio, there's Leonardo, there's even Runway and more tools that help you design logos, that help you design social media posts. There's even help you design illustrate in minutes, that help you generate image and more of that stuff. Within a few seconds, you just need to put in the prompts and your entire thing has been created. The second thing is writing and storytelling. If you are a plot writer, a story writer, the author, or someone who has a passion for writing, AI can help you write stories, write plots, write script, write different social media captions, gives you different ideas. Even it will help you write the entire book if you want to write. When if you, it will even give you ideas to write different book ideas or topic ideas. Even it will help you to write the entire book within a few seconds. So AI is even there when it comes to writing and storytelling. The third thing is music and videos. AI is there like there are even many tools like Opus Clips that turns your long form video into a short form video. We will get into this tool later. There's Runway ML that helps you to turn your images into video. There's different music AI tools that helps you create your own music based on your own style. There are different tools that edit your videos instantly without hiring any editor. So even there's different tool that helps you generate animation automatically. So AI is everywhere. So the next thing is why AI is changing everything. The first thing is speed. So tasks that used to take hours now take a few minutes, as I said. First, when you used to write the entire script for your YouTube video, it takes a normal human being. If you write viral, if you want to write a viral script, 1 day or a 2 day, the entire day will be spent researching for different topics, different videos and titles, the thumbnail style and more. But with the help of AI, now it's done within a few minutes. The second thing is accuracy. So what happens is AI reduces mistakes in data calculation or writing. It might happen that sometimes AI makes mistakes, so it's really necessary to go through all the response that AI generates you. Don't do as if just copy and paste it. Just go through all the things what AI has generated it for you and then use it, because sometimes it happens that AI also make mistakes. Its accuracy it's good, but sometimes it happens it can make mistakes and that's not. The third thing is accessibility. So what happens is nowadays anyone can learn, create or work smarter with the help of AI. Even a 5-year-old or a 70-year-old can work with AI because these tools are making your life more easier. There's no there's something not special with AI that you need to have this skill, then only you can use AI. Anyone can use AI in today's day and age. And the last one is personalization. What this means is AI can learn from your habits and gives advice, suggestion, or the content just for you. If you are someone a content creator related to health, health in the health space or in the health niche, it understands your target audience. It understands what topic you usually want your content to be. It understands the tone you would create your videos on, or the tone of voice, the emotion that you use, the style of video, the title that you will love, or the type of audience that you have on your social media, so it understand everything about you. That's why it's easier for AI to connect with you easily, to generate response for you easily, just because it knows how you are and how your thing actually works. So the last part, the key takeaway is at the end of this entire video, the last thing that we understand is AI is everywhere. Whether it's phone, whether it's your app, whether it's your home, whether it's your workplace, whether it's your car, everywhere is AI. You just need to notice that thing all around you. The second thing is AI is making life simpler, work smarter, and your creation easier so that you can just relax and let the AI work for you. The third thing is AI does not replace human. It can enhances what we can do with all these tools. But as I said earlier, people using AI will not be replaced by AI. But people not using AI can easily be replaced by AI. This can happen. And the last thing is understanding and using AI gives you a superpower in your everyday life. If you are someone you understand all the AI tools, you know what is AI, how these things works, or you know something, you have a specific knowledge of these tools, then you have a superpower that no one has in your space. It might happen. So this was all from this lecture. I hope you loved this. And if you really enjoyed this lecture, I just want you to give me an honest review. And this was all from this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture. So, why you should use AI tools in your everyday life? Why it is so essential to use all these tools in your day-to-day life? So the first thing that I want to say is, let's imagine for some time, let's imagine for a moment that you have a super smart, intelligent friend that never gets tired, that never forgets anything, always help you with your work no matter what, no matter what's the time, no matter where you live, where you come from, and even learn faster than anyone else in this world. Would you would uh would you want that friend be like you? Or wouldn't you want a friend like that? That always there for you 24 into 7, 365 days, any time of the day, whether it's 1 p.m. in the 1 p.m. or it's 1 a.m., no matter what you want to ask, you can ask any time, no matter what's the question, whether it's a foolish question, it's a idiotic question, or it's a smarter question, or you want to solve any problem, you want a help related to your work, related to your assignments, and it never gets tired. It's always there for you active, right? That's what AI tools are, your digital helpers who make your life easier, you work faster, and your creativity makes even stronger. That's there for you, that's there for you, helping you always, no matter what. Whether it's Monday morning or whether it's Sunday evening, it's there for you, just for you, helping you no matter what. So, what are these AI tools? So AI tools are like those tiny robots inside your computer or your phone that can write for you, that can design for you, organize your day for you, that can teach you new things, that will learn from you, even learn from you the different things about yourself. It will or even make you laugh and think or be more creative. It will give you new ideas. It will help you create something new. It will give you uh, answers for your question. It will solve your problems and more stuff like that. They don't have a human body, feelings, emotion, nothing like that. But they do have something special that's called intelligence, the ability to learn, understand, and help you. That's what AI tools actually does. So, what AI can help you with? AI saves you a lot of time more than you think. Time is the most valuable thing that we all have, and AI gives it back to you. We all have 24 hours in a day. We cannot increase it. You cannot make 24 hours to 28 hours, but AI helps you to save that time as much as you can by helping you with your different projects, with your work, with your tasks. Instead of spending 3 hours writing an email, AI can do it in few minutes, or not in few minutes, within few seconds it can generate you the entire email. Whether you want a bunch of emails or a single email, it will help you generate it within a few seconds. The second point is, instead of searching endlessly for the best route or for the best deal, for the best product, for the best features, for the best tool, AI can instantly find it and help you get the response faster than ever. The third point is, instead of planning your entire day manually by sitting with your diary and pen, what you want to do today or how you will spend the next the 3 hours, AI can create a complete schedule that will help you written day-to-day work that will help you save a lot of time. It's like having a magical assistant who finishes your homework before dinner so that you can spend more time playing, relaxing, and doing what you actually love. That's how AI is working. AI is saving a lot of your time. First, as I said, you used to write script that take you a longer time. Now, within a few seconds, you get your script ready. First, edit your videos manually. When you create a long form video or short form video, you edit your videos manually. Right now, also people edit their videos manually, but there's even more AI tools that helps you edit it. Before AI tools, there used to be a time when you used to take different clips from your long form videos and create that, convert it into a short form videos. But nowadays with different tools, you just upload the link of that video, long form video, and it will give you 12 or 30 short form videos based on that one long form video. So much of time has been saved for you with these tools. So, the next thing over here is AI makes you smarter than you even think. If you are someone using AI in your day-to-day life, then you are smarter than you even think. So AI does not just think for you, it helps you think better and makes you even smarter than you believe. The first thing is, it gives you ideas when your mind is blank. So if you are a content creator, if you're a course instructor, if you're a freelancer, a business owner, or a student, you are somehow in life, it happens when you are out of idea, you don't know what to create or what product to launch or how to do any assignment or how to connect deeply with your customers, how to get more clients as a freelancer. AI can help you by giving different ideas. It will help you with these things. The second thing is, it answers your question instantly like a personal teacher. You don't want someone in your life now. You don't want a personal instructor or a mentor, someone who will just give you the solution of your problem. Now, with the help of AI, you can get a friend, you can get your mentor, you can get a guide, you can even get a social media expert, your social media manager, everything. AI can replace all these roles and then become your super guide, your super friend who is there for you 24 into 7, helping you do all your work. So the third thing is, it also helps you learn new skills from writing to coding to meditation. Anything you want, whether you want to learn new skills, whether it's coding, whether it's creating an app, whether it's creating a long form video, whether it's learning a new language, anything, AI is there to help you. So now, It's like carrying a wise old teacher in your pocket, always ready to guide you no matter what you ask for. So, as I said earlier, it's always there for you no matter what. So, the next thing is AI also unlocks your creativity. It also blow up your creativity mind. So, even if you are not an artist, a designer, a writer, or anyone or an expert designer with 5 or 8 years of experience related to that AI can make you feel like one of them. The first thing that AI does is if you want to design a logo, if you want to design a thumbnail, a logo, or a social media post, a banner, but you don't know how to do it, AI will help you with it. AI will generate it exactly the way you want. You want a logo for your company, or your brand. You want a banner for your Facebook, for your in LinkedIn profile. You want a great bio for your LinkedIn profile. Anything you want, AI is there to help you, even in the creative space. So if you want to write a poem or a story, and you are not a poet, you are not a writer, but still you can write a great poem or a story. Even if you want to write a song, in the next one, the third part or the third point is if you want to edit a video, if you want to write a song, you are not a songwriter, you are not a storyteller, you are not an editor, you are not you are not a poet, but still you can do all of these stuff because of the help of AI in today's day and age. So just imagine for a moment having a magic paintbrush that brings your imagination to life. You want a song on a cute little cat, it's there for you. You want a poem based on your lovely dog, it's there for you. So AI is always there for you to make your imagination to life. That's what AI tools do for you or for your creativity. In the further video, we will go through all these tools that will help you create your logo, that will help you create music, write poems for you, and more of that stuff. So the next thing is AI makes your words more easier than you will ever imagine. So whether you are a student, a business owner, a freelancer, a content creator, or a retired person, AI can help you in your work. So the first thing for student, if you are a student, AI helps you summarize different notes. It can create presentations for you. It can generate different ideas for you. It can help you with your assignments and more of that stuff. If you're someone related to words, if you're someone professional, AI writes emails for you. It can help you plan your entire day. It can help you plan your projects. And even it will organize your meeting. You don't have to do any of these stuffs anymore. If you are a business owner, AI can design ads for you. It can build website for you. It can automate your marketing. It can create a beautiful logo for you. It can create a social media bio for you, and more of that stuff. If you are someone senior, AI can help you manage your finance. It can give you health reminders, and it can communicate with you the way you want. So think of AI as your personal helper who can take care of all of the boring stuff that you do in your day-to-day life so you can focus on what truly matters the most. The next thing is AI can help you grow in your everyday life. So AI is like a personal coach for you that pushes you forward to become better, smarter, and more confident every day. The first thing that AI can do, it can help you track your habits and goals. The second thing is they give you motivational reminders if you want. Different reminders that you can get on your phone or from the emails or from different websites. AI can help you with that. It can even give you or help you to learn faster by explaining things in your own style. If you are someone who want to just know something, or if you are someone who wants to know about AI, but you are new to AI, you don't know what AI means, and ask ChatGPT or any other AI tools to explain me as I am a 5-year-old, and it will instantly generate response in a way that you then understand from a 5-year-old's viewpoint. So that's how AI then help you with this. The last thing is they made your journey and self improvements simpler and more enjoyable. So imagine having a best friend who is always there for you to support your dreams, to support your daily goals, to help you celebrate your progress. That's how AI helps you to grow in your day to day life. The next thing is the superpower you didn't know you had. For a kid who wants help with homework or any other assignments or any other school projects, AI is there to help you. For a mother planning the entire meal or managing her entire day, AI is there to help you plan the entire meal for an entire week. That will even help you manage your day. It will even help you manage your entire month and more of that stuff. For any teacher, mentor, or coaches, for preparing different lessons or different presentations or different courses, AI is there for you to help you create all those stuffs. And last one, for someone who is a creator, a social media creator, it will help you with different making videos, different giving you ideas, different topic ideas, giving you script ideas, giving you helping you with title generation, thumbnail generation, caption generation, hashtag generation, and more of that stuff. So if I give you a real life example right now, you will understand more deeply what AI can help you with. So let's say you want to start a small online business selling handmade sandals, right? You are going to start a business based on handmade sandals. You can design your logo in minutes with the help of AI. You then first get the ideas of the market, how big the market is of homemade sandals, what type of sandals do people want to use when it comes to their home, uh, what they actually like, what type of packaging they like, what type of uh, what designs that they would recommend. So all those things, the details, you then just set it from the AI. You can design your own brand logo, you can design your own brand bio or the tagline, everything, the company name and everything from AI. You can even generate creative posts if you are opening a social media channels, whether it's an Instagram channel, a Facebook channel, a YouTube channel. You want the name for your handmade sandals. You want different ideas to create reels on these sandals. You can set everything. Or you want to create a post based on these handmade sandals. You can get it from AI within few minutes. Just put in some prompts. You can even build a website by yourself without using any tool, just with one single prompt. That's how easy it is to get started with your business or your brand, anything. AI is there to help you with it. So the last thing that I want to say is just look at the bigger picture. AI is not a trend anymore. It's a new way of living. Next 10 years or next 2 years, next 5 years, what's going to happen, we don't know. But AI is going to be more smarter, more better, and it's going to make our life even easier. So it will help, it's helping doctors just diagnose any disease you have. It helps teachers personalize lessons and artists create new worlds. So that's how AI is improving every single day. So when you use AI tools, you are not just using technology, you are joining the future where humans and machines work together to make life easier, better, brighter, and even meaningful. So you should use AI tools because they make you faster, smarter, and more creative, helping you live a better, easier, and more fulfilled life. But the last thing that I want to say is use AI in my limit, that you don't lose your creativity, because every human has a creative power. If you're using AI, that's amazing. You are working with it. It saves a lot of your time. But in that journey, remember one thing, don't you dare to lose your creativity. Because once you lose your creativity, you will always be dependent on these tools. So this was all from this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture. So before we get into our 21 different AI tools that we can use in our day-to-day life, the last thing that I want to share with all of you is use AI as your assistant, not as your replacement. This would be the most dangerous thing if it happens with you. Use as your assistant. As I was saying this in the earlier lecture, that in the journey of using AI, don't lose your own creativity. It's good that you know about AI. It's good that you know how to use AI. It's even great that you use AI into your day-to-day life. But don't you dare to become so dependent in these AI tools that you lose your creative power, that you lose how you actually think or how you express your ideas. So, the first thing that I want to share with you is imagine you have a magical helper with you 24 into 7, 365 days, any time of the day, anywhere. It never sleeps, it never complains, it always listens to you, it even never judges you. This helper then write for you, draw for you, plan for you, answers your questions, gives solution to your problems, gives you ideas faster than you even imagine. Would you live your life completely to this helper and stop doing things yourself? No, right? You will do things by yourself and you are using this as your helper, right? So, not as a replacement, not as your own replacement. You still want to think, you still want to decide, you still want to create, you still want to express, you still want to put things together the way you want. You just ask your helper to make those tasks easier for you, not to replace you. That's exactly how you should use your AI or how you should see all the AI, not as a replacement but as an assistant. Use AI in a way to use it, not let it replace you. Use it in a limit and that will help you to move even faster and better. Don't be so dependent on AI that you stop content, you stop even when it comes to giving answer to someone, you are using chat GPT. Hi, this person asked me this question, what should I answer? Don't use things in such a way or these tools in such a way that you lose your creativity on this journey. It's important to use AI, but it's even important to use your own creativity. The next thing that I want to share with you is what does AI as your assistant means? It means you let AI not to control you, but you can use it in a way that helps you make your life more easier. You use AI to save time, to generate ideas, to learn faster, to make better decisions, to give solutions to your problem. But you still decide what's right and what's wrong, and what you feel is true, what you feel is false. What emotions that comes in your mind, you still feel all those things. Think of AI like a calculator. It can do the math for you, but you still decide which numbers to add. That's how you should use these AI tools. The next thing that I want to share is the danger of seeing AI as your replacement. If you will see AI as your replacement, when people, as I said earlier, when people start depending on these AI tools for everything, they start begin to lose their own creativity. They start to lose the very thing that makes them human things like feeling, creating, expressing their thoughts, expressing their ideas. If you let AI think for you, you stop thinking deeply for yourself. The first thing that will happen to you. The second thing is, if you let AI create for you, you stop expressing your own ideas. The third thing is, if you let AI decide for you, you will lose your own voice, your own creativity, your own thought, your own mindset, and everything. If you always let AI write your messages, write your captions, they might sound perfect, but they won't sound like you. That's why AI should assist your voice, not replace it. The first and the most important thing to remember. So AI has a power, but you have a purpose. The thing that you need to understand. AI can write thousands of words for you, paint the digital masterpiece, analyze data and in certain, then research on some topic based on what you need, then help you give solutions based on your problem, but still it does not have heart as you have. You are human. You understand pain, you feel joy, you have hope, or you love someone. But AI cannot do all these things. It does not understand dreams, emotion, or the beauty of human connection. That's your superpower. AI has power, you have a purpose, and use that purpose and power for the betterment of the society. And when the two words, it brings magic to your own world and it brings magic in the life of other people. So, what is the right way to use AI? The first thing is you lead and AI will follow you. Always remember you are the director, writer, storyteller, producer of your own life, of your own words. And AI is your assistant, not your replacement. So you tell it what you want, and it will help you get there faster. The second point is use AI to save your time, not to skip growth. AI then save hours of your time. So don't use it to skip learning. Learn every day. Learn something new every single day. Whether it's related to AI, whether it's related to some other topic, but learn something new that will help you move forward in your life. The third thing is add your own human touch no matter what. Whatever AI creates, always add your own heart, own feeling, or own emotion, own voice to it. That's how the things work. And the last thing is use AI to amplify your strength. AI is here to fix you. It's here to amplify what's already great for you. So use it in that way. So the last thing before we get into our 21 tool journey, the final thing that I want to share is AI can't write your stories, but only you can give them the right meaning. AI can draw pictures for you, but only you can decide what actual beauty looks like. AI can make your life easier, but only you can make it meaningful. So don't fear AI, learn it, use it, and lead it. Because the future does not belong to machine, it belongs to humans who knows how to work with them. So this was all from this theory lecture. Now the next thing that we will do is we will enter the world of different tools and how to use all those tools to make our life more better and easier. So this was all from this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture.